Selena, Class 10, Chapter 9, Matrices. Sum number 14. Given A equal to 2 minus 6 2 0, B equal to minus 3 2 4 0, and C equal to 4 0 0 2. Find the matrix X such that A plus 2x equal to 2B plus C. A plus 2x equal to 2B plus C. We will substitute the values of matrix and then calculate. A matrix is 2 minus 6 2 0 plus 2x equal to 2 into B matrix minus 3 2 4 0 plus C matrix 4 0 0 2. Multiply by 2 first. Minus 6 4 8 0 plus 4 0 0 2. Now we will add this to matrix. Minus 6 plus 4 minus 2. 4 plus 0 4. 8 plus 0 8. 0 plus 2 2. Therefore 2 minus 6 2 0 plus 2x equal to minus 2 4 8 2. 2x equal to here plus matrix, when you move minus matrix. 2x equal to minus 2 4 8 2 minus 2 minus 6 2 0. Therefore 2x equal to minus 2 minus 2 minus 4. 4 plus 6 10. 8 minus 2 6. 2 minus 0 2. X equal to half of minus 4 10 6 2 equal to 2 minus 2 5 3 1. Sum number 15. If A equal to 4 minus 2 6 minus 3, B equal to 0 2 1 minus 1, C equal to minus 2 3 1 minus 1, find A square minus A plus BC. First we will find A square, BC, and then we will subtract and add. A square equal to 4 minus 2 6 minus 3 into 4 minus 2 6 minus 3, which is equal to 4 into 4 16, okay, plus, minus 2 6 minus 12, 16 minus 12 4. 4 into minus 2 minus 8, minus 2 into minus 3 plus 6, minus 8 plus 6 minus 2. 6 4s are 24, minus 3 into 6 minus 18, 24 minus 18 6. 6 into minus 2 minus 12, minus into minus plus 3 3s are 9, minus 12 plus 9 minus 3. B into C equal to B matrix is 0 2 1 minus 1. C is minus 2 3 1 minus 1 equal to 0 into minus 2 0, minus 2 into 1 2, 0 into 3 3, 2 into minus 1 minus 2, 1 into minus 2 minus 2, minus 1 into minus 1 minus 1, 1 into 3 3, minus into minus plus 1, 2 minus 2 minus 3 plus 4 is BC matrix. A square matrix is 4 minus 2 6 3 minus A is 4 minus 2 6 minus 3 plus BC matrix is 2 minus 2 3 minus 3 4. So 4 minus 4 0, minus 2 plus 2 0, 6 minus 6 0, minus 3 plus 3 0, plus 2 minus 2 3 minus 3 4, 0 plus 2 2, 0 plus minus 2 minus 2, 0 minus 3 minus 3, 0 plus 4 4. Hence answer is 2 minus 2 minus 3 4. Sum number 16. If A equal to 1 0 2 1, B equal to 2 3 minus 1 0, find A square plus AB plus B square. A square equal to 1 0 0, sorry 1 0 2 1, 1 0 2 1, 1 1 za 1, 0 2 za 0, 0 1 za 0, 1 0 za 0, 2 1 za 2, 1 2 za 2, 2 0 za 0, 2 1 za, sorry 1 1 za 1, 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 0 0, 2 plus 2 4, 0 plus 1 1. AB equal to, A is 1 0 2 1, B is 2 3 minus 1 0, equal to 1 2 za 2, 0 into 1 0, 1 3 za 3, 0 into 0 0, 2 2 za 4, 1 into minus 1 minus 1, 2 3 za 6, 1 0 za 0, 2 plus 1, sorry 2 plus 0 0, 3 plus 0 0, 4 minus 1 3, 6 plus 0 6. AB equal to 2 3 3 6. B square equal to 2 3 minus 1 0, 2 3 minus 1 0. Multiplication, 2 into 2 4, 3 into minus 1 minus 3, 4 minus 3 1, 2 into 3 6, 3 into 0 0, 6 plus 0 6, 1 into minus 1 into 2 minus 2, 0 into minus 1 0, minus 2 plus 0 minus 2, minus 1 into 3 minus 3, 1 plus 0 0, minus 3 plus 0 is minus 3. A square into AB plus B square equal to, A square matrix is 1 0 4 1 plus AB matrix is 2 3 3 6 plus B square matrix is 1 6 minus 2 minus 3, which is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 1 4, 0 plus 3 plus 6 9, 4 plus 3 7 minus 2 5, 1 plus 6 7 minus 3 4. Answer is 4 9 5 4. Sum number 17. If A equal to 3A minus 4 8, B equal to C 4 minus 3 0, C equal to minus 1 4 3 B, and 3A minus 2C equal to 6B, find the value of A, B and C. 3 into A, so A matrix is 3A minus 4 8 minus 2 into C, C matrix is minus 1 4 3 B equal to 6, B matrix is 6 into C 4 minus 3 0. First we will multiply, 3 3s are 9, 3A minus 12 24, minus 2 8 6 2B equal to 6C 24 minus 18 0, 19 minus into minus plus 2 11, 3A minus 8, 12 minus 6 18, 24 minus 2B equal to 6C 24 18 0. Comparing the corresponding elements, we get 3A minus 8 equal to 24, 3A equal to 32, A equal to 32 upon 3, which is equal to 10 2 upon 3. 24 minus 2B equal to 0, 2B equal to 24, B equal to 12. 11 equal to 6C, C equal to 11 upon 6, which is equal to 1 5 upon 6. Sum number 18. If A equal to P 0 0 2, B equal to 0 minus Q 1 0, C equal to 2 minus 2 2 2, and BA equal to C square, find the value of P and Q. First we will multiply BA and then C square, and then we will compare. B is 0 minus Q 1 0. A is P 0 0 2, which is equal to, we will do the multiplication. 0 into P 0, Q into 0 0, and 0 plus 0 0. 0 into 0 0, minus Q into 2 minus 2Q. 1 into P 1, 1 plus 0 into 0 0. 1 into 0 0 plus 2 into 0 0. 0 plus 0 0. C square equal to 2 minus 2 2 2 into 2 minus 2 2 2 equal to 2 2s are 4, minus 2 into 2 minus 4. 4 minus 4 0. 2 into 2 minus 2 minus 4. 2 into minus 2 into 2 minus 4. Minus 4 minus 4 minus 8. 2 into 2 4, plus 2 into 2 4. 4 plus 4 8. 2 into minus 2 minus 4. 2 into 2 plus 4. Minus 4 plus 4 0. B square equal to BA equal to C square. BA is 0 minus 2Q PQ equal to 0 minus 8 8 0. Comparing the corresponding elements, we get minus 2Q is equal to minus 8. Q equal to 4. P equal to 8. Q equal to 4 and P equal to 8. Sum number 19. Given A equal to 3 minus 2 minus 1 4, B equal to 6 1, C equal to minus 4 5, and D equal to 2 2. Find AB plus 2C minus 4D. AB equal to, A is 3 minus 2 minus 1 4, B 6 1. We will do the multiplication. 3 6 are 18 minus 2 16, minus 6 plus 4 minus 2. AB equal to 16 minus 2. AB is 16 minus 2 plus 2C. 2C is minus 8 10 minus 4D 8 8 equal to 16 minus 8 0 minus 2 plus 10 minus 8 0. Hence answer is 0 0.